Today we're building stackable terrain using just cardboard. Something simple, sturdy, and perfect for adding that vertical gameplay to your tabletop games.
Okay, for this build, there wasn't really much planning, just some doodles on a piece of paper where I'm just adding layers basically to the terrain level by level, and it's very simple. There are some other tools that I recommend that you could use: jigsaw, bandsaw, scroll saw. A knife works perfectly, very simple, easy. Everyone probably has one, but I just recommend a saw. I recommend a saw because it'd be faster and you'd probably get some cleaner cuts than I did. Easier to go around the curves than with a knife. Finishing up the last piece here, I wanted to stack it in a way that didn't look like cake, but looked like it was shifting toward one side and there was a little bit of like a hill on the other end, so it wasn't so bare. And then just used a bunch of glue, spread it around, smashed it together, brought it inside to let the glue dry in a warm area. Right now, it's just structure, and in part 2, we're going to add texture, runes, and bring this thing to life.